Hi, Lakesha Clark here with Millenia Realty in Tallahassee, Florida. I am featuring today a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with split floor plan, open and spacious great room with high ceilings and new ceramic wood look flooring, large kitchen with dinette area, all new kitchen appliances. Master bedroom features a large walk-in closet and tile tub. Home has 1-car garage and double driveway. Large lot with fence front and backyard. Give me a call today to view this property or other properties in the Tallahassee, Florida, Big Bend area. I service Leon, Gadsden, Wakulla, Franklin, and Jefferson County. Look forward to seeing you and speaking with you soon. Lakesha Clark with Millenia Realty.